Hey! Hello everybody and welcome all to my IntelliMate AI review. So here I am right inside of IntelliMate AI, guys. As you can see, I am right inside of the members area of IntelliMate AI software. Okay guys, this is a splendid software that is going to create chatbots, smart chatbots like this one for you. So I have just created this chatbot for the purpose of this review, of this demo. I'll walk you through the members area. Should I call it the members area? I guess, it's a software that is going to create chatbots for you like this one. So, okay, I've lost my train of thought, but we'll go through the sales page, which is actually my bonus page. And through this bonus page, guys, which you will find the link to it below my review, it will take you to the sales page. So, I'll show you how it all works. Okay, and then we'll check out the funnel as well. I've got the funnel information, guys. This is the funnel, but there's also a bundle deal for those who love, like most of the upsells from front end up to OTO number 3 was included. We'll talk about that, so stay tuned. But this is the cheapest option, okay, and one-time payment, no monthly fees, if you were to pick up from front end up to upsell number 3. Okay, upsell number 4 is not included in the bundle deal, okay, but there will be like the best option, which is the premium membership, one-time payment as well. But this is I am talking about the OTO number 4. Right, let's go and talk about what IntelliMate AI is. So in essence, it's a software that is going to create smart chatbots for you, which you can add to your website or your client's websites, because it does come with the commercial license, guys. And before I carry on, okay, this is very important information to take into account, because this product launched a few days ago. I didn't have the time to review it over the weekend, I'm afraid, but it is still ongoing. The launch period has not ended yet, so it will end on the 20th of December at midnight. So during this time, you will get a chance to pick it up at the discounted price. So you will get, let me see, $3 on the front end. Just use the coupon MATE. And if you were to pick up the bundle deal, which is the cheapest option, if you like all of the upsells, well, up to upsell number 3, okay, then this is the coupon IntelliMate, which will give you $50 discount on the bundle deal. Okay, now, why am I saying it is important? Yeah, because as of the 20th of December midnight, the plan will switch to 47 monthly membership. So up until the 20th of December midnight, you will get a chance to pick it up at a one-time price. Okay, guys. So if that's for you, just make sure you pick it up by the 20th of December midnight. 11:59 to be precise. All right. So let's carry on talking about what this software will do for you. So yes, number 1, it will create smart chatbots for you that you can add to either your own website or your client's website. And you can feed it with all kinds of, URLs. If you have a website that's got like 10 pages, you can add 10 URLs to it. You can add like PDF documents. You can feed it with the information coming from PDF, up to 5 PDFs you can add, okay? And this chatbot will use that information to educate itself, to teach itself, in order to be able to answer questions that your website's visitors may have, okay, regarding your business, regarding the product you're launching, or your promotional offers. Right, okay, so let me show you how you would go about creating a chatbot like this. It really is so fast, okay, guys. First, I'll show you how to actually create this chatbot, and then I'll show you all of the other like features and options you have from inside of the members area. So as you can see, you would create a chatbot by going to Chatbot. I have already created one, but you can also go and see this drop down here. Okay, so here I have all of the chatbots. This is mine, okay, that you would have created yours or your clients. Again, if you want to view all, you click on view all. If you want to add new, you just click on add new. But let me just present, carry on with the chatbot I have already created, because what you can do, you can customize it, and that will take you back to, to step one. So let me just customize the bot I have already created. So the first thing you will do, guys, you will choose the theme. So there will be, let me just pop myself up here. There will be all kinds of themes you can add. Okay, so whichever you like, either this one, red, whichever color you prefer. There's quite a few to choose from. Okay, once you've pick the one that suits your preferences most, right? Let me maybe choose the red one. Not who's colorblind. The green one. I'm happy to proceed. So save and next. It's very ultra fast as well, this software, I must say. Okay, here you do further customization. So you set up your profile. Here you can choose the bot profile image. You can even customize the bot itself, and you can also use this chatbot to collect leads and even grow your email list. Okay, thanks to that. I mean, you can, but you don't have to. You can deactivate the lead collection option. It's up to you. Okay, some people could be, perhaps some of your visitors maybe would be, well, depends how you want to really use this chatbot. But I'm just thinking that some visitors could be potentially put off by the idea of having the email address submitted first, okay, because before they can have any of the questions answered. All right, so but anyhow, back to this customization. So here you set up your profile how you like. As you can see, you can decide, let me show you. Maybe I'll pick this. You see this picture, and this picture is showing already, and you can even customize the widget image itself. Now here the chatbot name, chatbot language. There are all kinds of languages to choose from as well. You can, change the theme if you want a different one. It can be red, okay. Chatbot background, the pretty cool backgrounds you can choose from as well. I really like that. I like it a lot, actually. This one is pretty cool too. You can make it very pretty, okay? Now the bot text color and the bot background color, you can change the user text color to whatever color you may want. Okay, you see it's changing the color and all of that, so the user background color. And then let's continue, let's go save, click save and next. Now this part you can skip altogether unless you have some, let's say you have some frequently asked questions, okay, that you want to set up. And you want the bot to know the answers to it. So for example, in terms of if I was to make this chatbot for IntelliMate AI product, okay, I could the first question could be, what is blah 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 IntelliMate AI, and here is my response. Okay, so I can record all of these responses, and the chat will store this information and will know how to answer. But you don't have to, okay? Because it is AI, so it has the power to teach itself, okay, from the information you feed it. So yeah, from the URL, the PDFs you would upload to it, I mean, through this software, through this platform. Okay, we can skip it all together and just go save and next. So let's continue. Okay, here's the important part. So here's the juicy part of this bot. You see? Now, in order to continue, guys, also you will have to integrate your free Pinecone API. This is simple, okay? I have created my own Pinecone API, okay? It's very easy. It's a free account as well, and you'd go and copy and paste the API from your free Pinecone account and paste it into the software here. Now I have already done that, so it should allow me to continue. But here is where you upload the URL. So let's say whatever this website for an instance, okay, you can upload up to 5 PDFs as well, and then go save and continue, save and next actually. Now at this point you will be able to decide whether you want to have this sort of gated access gated by the email submission. Okay, as I said, you need to decide whether you want to do that, how you want to use the chatbot. If you want to use it for collecting leads, by all means. But if you want to use it just so your visitors can have like some generic questions answered, then perhaps this is not a good idea, because some people could be, upset by the fact that, oh, before I can have this question answered, I actually have to submit my email. No thanks. So yeah, use some balance in deciding on whether this is a good idea to gate it with email submission option or not. I hope you know what I mean, okay? So here is like, yes, I do not want to collect leads, proceed without any integration. If you do want, then you would need to select autoresponder, okay? And then you would need to select, but before that you would have had to integrate your autoresponder with the software, and you would do it from this option here. And then you select the list in your autoresponder where those email addresses would be going to. Okay, so that's that. And here it will show you the closing message. So thank you for chatting with us today, which you can customize as well. Okay, you can set it up as you wish, and then you save and copy embed. So this is the embed code. You text the code, you copy the text and you would paste it. You would go to your, say, WordPress website, and that's where you would need this script embedded. Right, so that's how it works. Now let me show you the rest of the sort of members area, okay? Now here you have the leads you would have collected. The leads would be stored here. You could export them as a CSV file, okay? Here you have all of the integrations. So your autoresponder, even for webinars, CRM, content provider for Pinecone. The Pinecone, guys, so as I said, it's very easy to integrate. You just click on integrate. This is where you'd put in your API key. Okay, this is my account, free account. And you save the API credentials, and voila. And you even have a video here, a tutorial on how to set up the free Pinecone account. So, I followed that tutorial myself to create my free Pinecone account. What's a Pinecone account? Pinecone account, guys, is a platform, your storage that is specifically fitted for this sort of service. So for chatbots. All right, so that's where the information is going to be stored. So you need that account. White label is obviously if you want to rebrand and all of that. That's part of the upsells. Here in the settings, you will have your bonuses, guys. All of the tutorials. There's plenty of tutorials. That's where you would manage all of the tutorials you have here. Very good tutorials. So just follow them. If you want to know how to set all of that up, you can manage your clients from here. But this one is actually one part of the upsells. You can manage your workspace from here as well. Now let me show you the upsells. So here is in short, the funnel. So front end 37. Do remember you have the coupons, guys. So $3 on the front end and $50 on the bundle deal. So the front end should be still available at 34, right? 34 minus the $3. Now OTR number 1, Elite is 77, OTR number 2, Enterprise is 97, OTR number 3, Agency For 100 clients, license 67, unlimited 97. Now, if you want to save some money, you want all of the, OTOs, get the bundle deal. It's going to save you a little bit of money. I mean, quite a bit of money. It's 297. Yeah, around 30 bucks, something like, no, actually, sorry, what am I saying? Around 80 bucks, because there is this $50 coupon. Okay, hey ho, happy days, guys. So if you're loving it, you can get it, all of the upsells up to upsell number 3 for 247. So 297 minus 50 is 247. So no, less than $250. And then there will be this OTO number 4, which is premium membership. You can pay monthly, you can pay by installments, you can get the one time for $997. Now, more about the upsells, I have more information about the upsells. Now with the repeating myself, with the front end, guys, you get to create 100 workspaces, and you can collect up to 10,000 leads. Okay, you've got all of the features here. You can obviously, you don't need the hosting, you don't need a domain, although you can add your own. I mean, it will be added to your website, so it will be your domain, obviously. OTO number 1 is all unlimited for 77, so unlimited accounts, unlimited workspaces. Add more languages, you can have it in more languages, and there's more to it, guys. I mean, there's a lot to go through. If I was to tell you about every single feature that is included, it would take me an hour. What I will say, guys, though, is like after having purchased the front end, you will be presented with the upsells. So please go through the upsells, all of the sales pages to the upsells, and just read the information, and just decide whether this is for you or not. As you can see, you have IntelliMate Enterprise for 97. The OTO is the agency. Okay, and there is this membership as well. That is quite pricey, but if I guess the right product for the right person, the right offer for the right person. This is, guys, my bonus page. Now, through this bonus page, as you can see, it says here, instantly create, train, and launch self-learning AI chatbots in any language in seconds. No tech skills, no hiring, no monthly fees. All of the information about the product is here, guys. Check out all of the bonuses you're also gonna get if you pick it up via the link below my review. Now, you can from here click the grab IntelliMate AI plus my exclusive bonuses. The front end. This is the front end, or the bundle is the button below. Okay, so which you can check both of them out and then later decide which one you want to go for. Just take a look at all of the bonuses you have listed here, and yeah, take it from there. Alright, guys, I believe I have covered everything. So that was my IntelliMate AI review, guys. Thank you so much. Super cool product. You know, the software works like mwah, you know, beautifully. It's very fast. It's really a cool tool to have. You know, if you need chatbots like that for you or your clients, or as a freelancer, you can provide the service to your clients as well. As a freelancer, if you're on Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, there's a lot of cool, you know, freelancing platforms. Then you could add it to your list of gigs. Why not, right? Okay, guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Take care. Bye.